First thing you need to do, there's a metal plate on both sides of the chair base that has 2 screws in it. You will need to remove those. And also on the front, there is a metal plate with 2 screws in it. You need to remove those. And on the back, there's 1 single screw in the bellows. Remove that. Then you should be able to unhook your bellows from the bellows holder on the bottom here and raise the bellows up. And also raise the chair up to get the bellows up out of the way some. Then there's 2 screws inside here that hold this Footswitch plate on. Need to remove those. And then you should be able to pull the Footswitch out to some degree. And you'll need to unplug it from the circuit board. Push it down through the hole some, and you'll be able to pull the Footswitch out. Take all your wires off the old one, replace them on the new one, and feed your wires back up through the hole there. Plug the Footswitch back into the circuit board. And then replace the 2 screws. And that should do it. Once you get those tightened up, it should work. There's a metal plate that covers this circuit board here. It has 1 screw right in the middle here. You take that screw out and the metal plate should just slide right off. Of course, you want to make sure the power is off. Then you can unplug all your wires and make sure you're going to know where to put them back in the right position. Then you should be able to, there's some little nuts on 4 screws here. You should be able to take those off and your board should slide right off.
For more information and replacement parts, go to www.exceldentalparts.com.